Welcome. Today I am going to show you how to upload your CRSW information into CE Broker. What you want to do first off before you start here is you're going to want to download your certificate off of the Nahatica website based off of the email from when you took your training. So you can go ahead and sign in. And I already have an account made. If you do not have an account made and you need help with assistance for that, if you go to the OPLC website under licensing and under CE tracking, there is a step-by-step instructional video that you can click on that will show you how to do that. Once you're logged in, you can go ahead and click on Report CE. You will see this notice that says not completed. This is only for paid accounts. You do not need to pay to upload your CEs on here. It's not necessary. So go ahead and click on Report CE. What you're going to want to choose is CE offered by a rule-approved educational provider. And go ahead and click Begin. And then on here, you're going to want to look at the certificate that you downloaded, and all the information will be on here. So I took this webinar on August 5th, so I'm going to go ahead and put in August 5th. If the training that you took is live, you will want to choose live. That means not a webinar, so whether it's on Zoom or in person. This one that I took is a webinar, so I'm going to go ahead and choose anytime. And then for this option, it is a computer-based training. If you did live, you have these other options, and what you would want to choose for a live one is class. And then below here, it shows you the 3 subject areas that you can choose from. So if it falls under ethics, you will do that one. Suicide prevention will do that one. Anything else will go under general. So this was a 1-hour webinar that I completed. So I'm going to put in 1 and click continue. On here to ask you for the name of the CE course. And so for this one, it is personality disorders, borderline, and antisocial. And I'm going to go ahead and put that here and click continue. The next one asks you the name of the educational provider. That would be Nahatica. And you don't need the full name, you can just write Nahatica and click continue. Under here it will ask you which rule-approved educational provider it falls under, and again choose Nahatica and click continue. This is where you're going to upload your certificate. So go ahead and click on attach document. You can either browse for the file, or what you can do is just drag and drop it right in. Once that loads, you can go ahead and choose continue. And it says you're ready to submit. So you're going to, basically by clicking this button, you're certifying that everything that you've entered is true and correct. Go ahead and click Submit CE. And it tells you that your credit has been submitted. From here, you can report additional CEs, or you can go and view your course history. This will show you all the trainings that you have uploaded, and that is all that you need to do for CRSW on CE Broker. If you have any problems with CE Broker, you can go to cebroker.com. Under support, contact us, and it has options here of how to contact them. You can either contact them via chat under here, or contact them via email by submitting a ticket. You cannot contact them by phone unless you pay for the CE Broker, which is not necessary. You can submit an email or contact them via chat. Thank you and have a great day.